Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can turn on iPhone's flashlight by just tapping the back. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your settings application. Once it is opened up, scroll below, then tap on accessibility. Now inside here, scroll below again. Under physical and motor, tap on touch. Inside touch, scroll all the way to the bottom, then tap on back tap. Now inside here, select if you like a double tap or triple tap. I'm gonna go ahead and select double tap, and just like that, inside here under system, you'll then be able to find flashlight. Select it, and just like that, you have assigned the flashlight to your back tap. Try tapping the back of your iPhone twice, depending on what you set, and watch the flashlight turn on instantly. That is how quick you can turn on your flashlight just with the tap. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.